If you're looking for more versatility in your cooking with endless meal options, the Deluxe Multi Cooker is for you. It can tackle pressure cooking, sous vide, slow cooking, and more, helping to elevate your meals from breakfast all the way to dessert. The Deluxe Multi Cooker has 16 pre-programmed settings that take the guesswork out of making family favorites, so you can cook the way you want, when and how you want. Pressure cooking is simple, and higher pressure equals shorter cooking time, up to 70% faster than other methods. I love that with pressure cooking, there's minimal planning required. If you've ever forgotten to take the frozen chicken out of the freezer in time for dinner, then we've got you covered. You can cook from frozen in the Deluxe Multi Cooker with amazing flavorful results. Pressure cooking helps you make tender meats and stews that taste like they've been cooking all day, but in a fraction of the time. We've included 11 preset functions: custom, egg, poultry, beef pork, seafood, white rice, beans, whole grains, dessert, steam, and sterilize. Now on to sous vide. Sous vide cooking gives you precisely cooked food with juicy and delicious, evenly cooked results every time. By placing food in an airtight bag in a temperature-controlled water bath, it slowly and gently cooks your food. This makes every part of the food, inside and out, from top to bottom, cooked to the same temperature and texture. Sous vide gives you delicious restaurant-quality results, from steaks and chops to salmon, shrimp, vegetables, or even large cuts of meat, like pork tenderloin or bone-in chicken. Sous vide is also a terrific method for meal planning, especially with chicken. It's completely hands-off cooking, and your meat comes out super juicy and tender. And you could use it throughout the week for fajitas, wraps, or even stir fries. While sous vide is great for all types of food, you have got to try steak. It cooks the steak gently and precisely to the doneness you like, evenly cooked from edge to edge, keeping all the juiciness and flavor you want. For sous vide meat, you'll want to give it a quick sear before serving. This is going to add flavor, color, and texture, just 1 to 2 extra minutes to a perfect meal. Slow cooking cooks food on a low temperature for hours, which tenderizes meat and adds rich, delicious flavor to your meals. You can add ingredients in the morning, let your food cook all day, and have a flavorful, tender one-pot meal for dinner. Roasts, soups, chilies, and stews, and pulled meats are all delicious slow cooked. The yogurt setting allows you to make yogurt at home, which means you can control exactly what goes into it. It tastes better, and it ends up being less expensive than buying it at the store. I love how you can customize the flavor. You can add vanilla, cinnamon, sweetener, and your favorite fruits. All you need to start is milk and any plain unflavored store-bought yogurt with live cultures. After that, you can use your homemade yogurt as a starter. The yogurt function cultures your starter by keeping it at the ideal temperature for 8 to 12 hours. It's smooth and creamy and lasts in the fridge for about 10 to 14 days. You can also use the yogurt setting to proof your bread. The yogurt setting provides the perfect environment for yeast to grow. The Sear function is a great way to help build flavor in your recipes. There are 3 different settings for the Sear function. Low is for sweating vegetables, medium is for pan searing and sautéing, and high is for stir frying or browning meat. These 3 different settings give you more options and better control in your cooking. Sterilizing allows you to clean and disinfect at higher temperatures versus just cleaning with soap and water. The sterilize function gives you a quick and easy way to eliminate germs on your bottles, teething rings, toys, stainless steel utensils, and more. You could sterilize most ceramic, silicone, metal, and glass items. When you're done using your multi-cooker, cleaning is simple. You can wipe down the outside with a damp cloth and put the inner pot and silicone ring into the dishwasher. Once you start using your Deluxe Multi Cooker, you'll see how it'll step up your mealtime with more flavor, new inspiration, and more time to enjoy your meals.